Tomorrow, on 7th of March, Holi festival is celebrated in a very grand manner in Hubli. On 4th, we had huge celebrations in Dharwad, while on 7th, we have celebration across the city of Hubli and also in all its outskirt areas. We have huge number of students and also family crowd who come and participate. The celebrations are largely expected in some prominent police stations of Hubli, which includes Kamaripete, Hubli town, Kasba Pete and Old Hubli police station jurisdiction of Hubli city. We have mobilized police force from our local unit of Hubli Dharwad Police Commissionerate, and also our senior officers have given huge officers and staff from outside the jurisdiction of Hubli Dharwad Commissionerate, from various districts and also from police training colleges. We have got huge number of KSRP, Home Guards and also RAF, Rapid Action Force. Together, very elaborate bandobast is going to be done for tomorrow's Holi celebration, including more than 2500 officers and men, which includes the striking force and also the Home Guard. I appeal to every individual who wishes to participate in Holi celebration to conduct themselves in a very respectful manner, celebrate it grandly, happily, without disturbing anyone's comfort or privacy, and also let no one create any mischievous or confusing atmosphere. I appeal all organizers. We have had elaborate discussion with each one of them, and Hubli has been known for its tolerant and grand celebration of Holi. We wish to present this Holi celebration as one of the cultural heritage of our place. So I appeal everyone to participate in Holi celebration peacefully and cooperate with the police department who are celebrating Holi with you, facilitating Holi celebrations for you.
So what is the precaution of rain dance in different of celebration places?
Rain dance.
Rain dance and different celebration places.
In some of the important places, public address systems are put up and rain dance are organized in about 5 different places in Hubli, and crowd is bound to be little more, which largely would be youth crowd, boys and girls from various colleges, hostels, and also family crowd is also going to join the celebration. And in each of such sensitive places, more deployment is done. We have put up CCTV, we are using drone cameras, we are using cameramen, and also sky sentries are going to be put up. And in the last year also I have seen the celebration has been extremely peaceful, and I wish this year also it will be very peaceful.